Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore location permissions with Apple iOS prompts, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your Apple device and navigate to the home screen. Locate the Settings app and tap to open it. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. In this menu, find and tap on Location Services. Ensure that Location Services is toggled on. Once enabled, you'll see a list of apps that have requested access to your location. Find the app for which you want to restore location permissions. Tap on the app to view its location settings. Here, you'll see options for location access, never, ask next time, while using the app, and always. Select the appropriate option that suits your needs. If you choose Ask Next Time, you'll be prompted to allow location access the next time the app requests it. For while using the app will have access to your location only when it's open. If you select Always, the app will access your location at all times, even in the background. After making your selection, exit the Settings app. To ensure the changes take effect, open the app and check if it's functioning as expected. If you need to adjust location permissions for other apps, repeat the process as necessary. Remember that some apps may offer enhanced features when location access is granted. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your location permissions on your Apple device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.